Hey y'all, this is a quick unboxing video of the Hero 7 Black GoPro packaging. Then on the side we'll see a couple of features that it has. Most of them are the same like the previous GoPro Hero 6. The only addition to this is 3 new features, which is the HDR, the hyper smooth, and live streaming. The camera is pretty much the same dimension as the Hero 6. It comes with a quick setup guide, and in the quick setup guide it just shows you how to open the latch, removing the camera, where you would place the battery, and the charging port for the camera. It also shows, next we have the GoPro stickers, and we also have a detailed manual for the GoPro. And then inside the box we have 2 mounting clamps for the GoPro, just the regular mounting clamps. We also have a USB Type-C charger, as you see, and we have the GoPro battery. Hopefully the battery lasts longer compared to the previous GoPros, but we're yet to find that out. I'm not sure how much charge this battery has, so we'll go ahead and set it up and sync it to the phone, to mobile device, either Android or iPhone. All you need to do is just download the app. Setup. All right, we'll open the dock where the battery goes. This is the same dock where the SD card would go. You can put a 32 gigabyte all the way to 64, 128. Just depends on the amount of storage you want. I know with the previous GoPros I've had, you kind of have to buy separate batteries, at least have 2 to 3 batteries laying around, because we can't record. You cannot record more than I don't know. It just depends on how much recording you're doing, and especially this being a 4K 60. If you're recording at 4K 60, you'll probably run out of that battery within less than an hour. So I'm not sure about this new GoPro, if it's the same or not, but I would just advise you to have extra batteries. Quick setup, it's pretty easy. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Unfortunately, when I was doing this quick setup, as I said, I didn't know how much battery it has right off the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in, charge it, and then continue to set it up. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Just hit the link on the description if you want to get a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Get the link, and if you want to get the Hero 7 Black or the silver or the white, just check out the link. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys on the next video.
Hey mom, come over here so we can sit and have a chat about you and this nigga. What the fuck is that about? I stay home and watch the kids while you go out.